everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be doing the, what month was it again? February kit lineup. I need to get into this because it is going to be a long one. Alright, so let's quickly jump on in. That can get out of the way. Mind you, in my shop I do have these little date covers here just to pop on your little things. I will show you what I mean. Just a little sticker like that. They are in the shop. I will be putting in next year's ones really soon, so that's why that is out like that. Anyway, so going from February the 3rd to February the 9th, I actually don't have foil picked for any of this. I just really wanted to share the kits that I have so that I can catch up. I need to catch up. So I picked the kit, Beachy Escape. And I think I pick this almost every year. This one is a reformatted kit. No, actually it's not. I lied. It's not. It's an old kit. I may reformat it, but we will see. We'll definitely see about that. So you get your pattern boxes, your pattern solid boxes, you get your quarter boxes, half boxes, the glitter headers and icons, the extra boxes, the washi. Most of my kits that I'm redoing now will only have single colored. I might switch back on that, we will see. And then you get these as well. Absolutely love this kit. So my favorite thing is probably the crab. I think I say that every time. So that one is called Beach Escape, just because we're still in summer. Well, we were anyway, but that's why I picked that kit. No, it won't let me put it back in. So yeah, if I do foils and things, I will let you know in the video. From February the 10th to February the 16th, we are going with Valentine's Day. This one I had to reformat just because I lost the file. I don't know where I put it. So luckily I still had the old file so that I could grab the pictures and then redo them. So you get the 9 full boxes. This one is in the updated format. I know that for sure. So you get your patterned quarter boxes. I love these. I think I prefer this as opposed to the old kit, which, like I said, I don't have anymore. You get your pattern half boxes, your quarter box solid, your half boxes solid. Should move that over a bit more. Then you get your glitter headers and icons page, the extra boxes. I love this page. I especially love this box here. Perfect for a quote. As you can see, all of the date covers, they are solid colored, and the washies, and then you get these pages as well. So just wanted to do that for that week, and then we're going to go from the 17th of February to the 23rd. And I decided to pick this kit called Brightberry. This cello is a little bit busted. There's so much tape on there. Don't want to throw it out though. So this is the kit Brightberry, and I wanted to do something just a little different, you know. So this one is in the newer format. And I love these kits because you can literally do anything with them. You can pair any foil bundle with them, which that's another thing I have to come out with and get more foil. But yeah, so this is the boxes here. I think this one was cut a bit off, so it might be okay. Maybe not. Anyway, whatever. I'm gonna use it anyway. It's for myself, so it doesn't matter. This is the quarter boxes. No, that was the half. Quarter boxes there, half boxes there. Quarter box solid, half box solid. I'm actually just not going to go through these. I think this every time I do a video, and I still continue to go through it. I love this. I don't know if I would have actually paired these two together now that I think of it, but oh well. So that's that kit there. Love these kits. Kind of wanted to do something a little bit pink based because, you know, it's the month of love. But I didn't really want to go too overboard because I know people with Christmas, they do Christmas kits every week. And then the last kit is the 24th of February to the 2nd of March. And this one is Orange Self-Love. Now we're getting into autumn, so that's why I picked this kit. I think I generally pick this kit every year. So that's why I picked it. So I love the oranges in this kit. Perfect. Sorry, you guys can't see anything, but you guys will have a better look at it in the plan with me. So I swear I use this kit pretty much every year. Pretty much. So yeah, that is the last kit. Like I said, with foils and things, I will let you guys know. Just because I haven't had anything picked and I've got quite a few kits to go through. So at the moment, I'm not doing foils with that. So yeah, this is the book. You can see I've got some kits going and they're all over the shop. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you have any kit recommendations, let me know. I always have my links listed down below, so check out my Etsy store. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!